Content aware. So content aware is another thing similar to the patch tool, but is much heavier. So we can see now if we make our basic selection around this. So while the cute kitten was on an all green background that was all grass, we've got rocks down here, and then we've got, got whites and light browns, but we've also got lots of blacks up here and stuff. So the patch tool might not work as well, but with this, if we go make our selection, so we want to get rid of this glass, we go edit, fill, and here we go to content aware, and we click OK. And this is going to use AI now to fill in the gaps for us. And I mean, that's pretty good if you ask me. This is a bit odd here, this section here, but it is literally drawn in the rest of the stone. Somehow, I don't know how it does this. Some sort of Adobe witchery, I'd assume. But yeah, it works really well. So maybe with an image like this, what might be better is if we cut it in half. I don't know if this will work, but we can soon see. Edit, fill, content aware. So that's done that half, and then maybe if we take this half here, it might have a better job of filling in the back of that chair. Edit, fill, content aware. Yeah, so it's still not done a great job on the back of that chair, but we could always, if that really was bothering us, we could always do that. Take the patch tool. No, sorry, we want to do it the other way, don't we? So we want to lasso this area and move it across. So the patch tool, obviously this was a very, very quick demonstration, but yeah, I'm amazed by content aware. I don't know how it does it, but it's really useful, especially if you're doing some sort of photo editing, that kind of thing, and you want to remove an image or even a person. It does really, really well with a person as well. Yeah, so give that a little go. Maybe find another image of like a couple on a beach and then try content aware. It works really well. Give it a go.